From the heart of Maharashtra to the highest court of the land. This is the journey of Chief Justice of India, Justice B.R. Gavai, a distinguished jurist who has left an indelible mark in the Indian judiciary. Born on 24th of November 1960 in Amravati, Maharashtra, Justice B.R. Gavai has always upheld the rule of law and the principles of natural justice. He joined the bar in 1985 and began his legal practice under the mentorship of late Shri Raja S. Bhosle, who has been the Advocate General and also a judge of the Bombay High Court. This early experience has laid the foundation of what would later become a remarkable legal career. From 1987 to 1990, Justice B.R. Gavai practiced independently before he moved to the Nagpur bench, where he became a prominent name in constitutional and administrative law. Over the years, he also served as the standing counsel for number of institutions including Nagpur and Amravati Municipal Corporations and Amravati University. In 1992, he was appointed as the Assistant Government Pleader and Assistant Public Prosecutor before the Nagpur bench. By the year 2000, he was promoted to the post of Government Pleader and Public Prosecutor. On 14th of November 2003, he was elevated as the Additional Judge of Bombay High Court and became a permanent judge in 2005. After years of experience as a judge of the High Court, he was finally elevated as the judge of the Honorable Supreme Court of India on 24th May 2019. In his time as a judge of the Supreme Court, he has been a part of about 700 benches and has authored about 300 judgments across constitutional law, civil law, criminal law, and various other branches of law. Every single judgment delivered by him has reinforced the rule of law and the principles of natural justice. He is also a respected voice internationally, and he has attended number of conferences across the world and delivered lectures in various universities including Columbia University and Harvard University. Justice B.R. Gavai was appointed as the Chief Justice of India, and he will assume the charge of his office as the Chief Justice from 14th of May 2025. His tenure will last for about 6 months until he attains the age of 65, when he retires on 23rd of November 2025. I am sure that his legacy and unwavering dedication to justice will continue to guide and influence the Indian legal thoughts for generations to come. For more such legal information like this, do not forget to subscribe us.